Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mishakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful and super easy stained glass nail art. So let's get started. All the products that I've used for this nail art tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below. So for the base coat, I have applied a nude color. You can use any colors of your choice. Even you can go for a white base coat so that the lighter colors will pop up. So these are the colors. I wanted to go for green and blues, but then I added a pop of red and gold. Now with the help of a striping brush, I will dip this brush in the black polish to create borders for my nails, and with the help of this brush I'll create borders like so. A thin border all across the nail, and I'll repeat the same on all the other nails. Keep your hands steady while holding the brush and keep on moving the nail so that you can get a thin striped border. Now with the help of the same striping brush, we are going to create geometrical patterns here like triangles, squares, to fill in that space to give it a stained glass effect. So don't leave too much space in between those geometric patterns. So we'll fill it with a lot of colors so that the colors will pop up. So repeat the same on all your nails, and I'll get back to you once we are done. Now with the help of a small detailer brush, we are going to fill in the colors of your choice. So here I'm going to fill in the shades of green, shades of blue and red and gold for a pop of color. So now carefully fill in those colors, and remember not to go over those black lines. So here I'm filling all those spaces with light green, dark green, some light blue, etc. So we'll meet once we are done. Till I fill up those spaces, let's do a quick chit chat. So guys, I wanted to know if you're watching my videos or no, because there are no views, there are no subscribers. Why guys? If you're watching my videos, please appreciate my work by subscribing to my channel and do show some love. And there are so many easy nail art videos and some DIY videos, so I hope you guys will subscribe and appreciate my work. I know I'm a little down or back on Instagram and Facebook because I'm not a very tech savvy kind of a person who keeps on using Instagram, but I'm trying my best because and also I upload every Wednesdays consistently since I started in March. So guys, I know I'm trying to do my bit by getting back on Instagram, so I'm just thinking how I can work it out much better. But guys, I need your support, so I hope you will support me in this. Now I will stop my chit chat bit here, and please keep on filling those gaps. Adding red just brings the whole look together. Now it looks much more beautiful. You can see each and every color, how it has come together than the other nails. So I think even a red lips brings out that shine on your face. That's what I feel. Do let me know in the comments below if you like the color red. this is how your nail art will look like once all those colors are filled in. Now we are going to apply a good top coat to seal in that nail art and make those nails look more glossier and shinier. And voila, there you have it, beautiful stained glass nail art. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakkal Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Watch my Instagram space for my comeback, and I'm trying to do all kinds of hand poses for you guys. So subscribe guys, and until next time, bye.